It is Thursday, September 30th. ES is currently 43.66, up about 16 points, about 0.37%. Pre-market volume is 240. Average over the last 11 days is 284. So volume is still pretty high, but it's lower today. The overnight range is also slightly more compressed, 33.75. In terms of context, we're basically in this lower area of the range. Yesterday was an inside day, so you'll be looking for a break above yesterday's high or yesterday's low. Overnight low is in yesterday's pot balance area low, and the overnight high is just above B's high from yesterday. So that is also close to where the point of control was from last week on Wednesday. Taking a look at the VIX. VIX is 2163. It's down slightly, but still very elevated. As I mentioned, we had an inside day yesterday, so you're looking for a break of yesterday's lower high and then continuation of that break or rejection of it. I anticipate today is going to be mega chop because the Fed is looking at bills to extend the cash flow available to Congress so we don't have a shutdown. And we're also at the quarter end, so you never really know if the market is going to tank at the end of the quarter or if it's going to simply balance and wait for some new money to come in for next month. But as far as overnight action, yesterday was mega chop, took out both sides of the IV, came up, tested the overnight high close to where a point of control was back on Wednesday. Deflected, came down. We're right at August's low. There are a lot of things happening. One is we have an inside week. We also have potential for an outside month down, bearish, excuse me. And just mega chop with elevated volatility. So since yesterday was an inside day, I'll be paying very close attention to the lows and the highs. So I'll have to determine as it approaches whether it's going to accept or reject if it does breach either one of those. And since it's the end of the month and the new money comes in October, this could be just, again, a day of chop where you fade the extremes. If we do get an ATR break, given this volatility, I'm going to take it consistent with the short-term trend at the moment. And that is basically the market context coming in today. Super chop is my expectation. If we do get to one of the highs or lows, I'll monitor it for the breach and continuation or rejection. Okay, so I got a B trade setting up here. Time is just before B opens. And what I'll be looking for is a break of this ATR to hopefully get down to breach the IB low and enter short once I see enough confirmation once B period opens. But right now it's a little bit early, so I'm going to wait for a bit and let this play out. And again, I'll be getting short. So as you can see, this B trade was slow at first, but it slowly started to pick up some momentum. And unfortunately, I didn't do a good job recording all the screen detail I wanted to. But the good news is that we're finally getting some positive movement in the direction I intended, and you'll see it's heading toward A's low. I think it gets my target. Just got my target, so target achieved there, and that was a successful B trade. So the rest of the day, if I recall, was pretty lame. I made some bad decisions, ended the day up 64.90, and didn't record it, but positive on the day, thankful for that, and we will try it again next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.